Star Regulus of Antimony. Alchemy. Alchemists reduced antimony metal from stibnite by heating it with saltpeter and iron until fusion occurred. Alchemy. In alchemy, antimony is called the Black Dragon. The star Regulus of Antimony is also called the Martial Regulus because of the iron used in its production. What is the star Regulus of alchemy? Regulus means the metallic mass that sinks to the bottom of the crucible during smelting. Impurities rise to the top of the crucible as slag. The process was repeated until the mass formed a crystalline star on top, known as the symbol of purity, the star of antimony. Alchemists did not try to make a philosopher's stone from the star Regulus of Antimony. This was a huge mistake and stumbling block among alchemists. Alchemists believe metals contained impurities which must be removed before the transmutation experiment could occur. They cleansed the metals in order to prepare them for the crucible and the philosopher's stone.